This is the list of employees that work in our company along with their monthly salaries. My manager has given me task that I need to find the three lowest salaries from this list of salaries, the first, second and third. So how I can find from this list of salaries the three lowest salaries? For this, what I did, I just used the small function, bracket open or open parentheses. I selected this full list of salaries, then insert comma. After comma, I just inserted one close parentheses. Why insert? Because I need to find here first lowest salary. Enter. So I find the first lowest salary. Similarly, for second lowest salary, I used small function, parentheses open. I selected this full list of salaries, then comma. After comma, I inserted here 2 because I need to find here second lowest salary. Bracket close. Enter. So I find here second lowest salary. Similarly, for third lowest salary, I used smart function, parentheses open. I selected this full list of salaries, then comma. After comma, I need to insert here 3 because I need third lowest salary. Close parentheses, enter. And in this way, I find the three lowest salaries from this list of salaries. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.